If a South African loses election and he goes to court, it's very, very strange. A South African loses election and he proceeds to court, it's very, very strange. But if a Nigerian politician loses election and you don't go to court, it is very strange. It's very strange. And this is serious. Even when I was a vice president, a Nigerian South Africa, we had a binational commission and we were celebrating 10 years. So that was the program we had. And the deputy president then was a lady. And that time our cases stay in court for a very long time. Of course, that one has affected the tenure of states. We have off-season elections and so on. So I wanted to know from her, what do they do in South Africa? So I asked, how long does it take for the judicial system to conclude these elections at the end of voting? See, that's the vice president, a very senior member of the African National Congress then. She first hesitated, as if what I was telling her was. They said, why should somebody go to court after losing election? So she was surprised that in Nigeria people go to court after losing election. And why should it happen that way? The judiciary will help us. But my thinking is that 50% of those who go to court because they felt they were cheated by the electoral management system. They were rigged out. And when you feel like rigged, naturally you have to go to court. So assuming the elections are properly conducted, that 50% will not go to court. The next 50% that go to court is that they know they failed the election, but they feel they can use the judiciary to declare them winners. So if the judiciary don't declare people who don't win election that they are winners, that remaining 50% who will not go to court. In South Africa, the electoral management body will never compromise, and they all know. So if you lose election, you just wait for the next election.